Hey all, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's session we are going to discuss multiple choice question and answer from embedded system, and today's topic is real time operating system. Okay, and in shorts आप इसको बोलते हैं RTOS. Okay, now let's begin the session. In this, your first question is, what is a operating system? Option A, collection of program that manages hardware resources. Option B, system service provider to the application programs. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application programs. Option D, all of the above. Okay, and right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay, because OS is a collection of program that manages hardware resources, and operating system service provider to the application programs, yes, and operating system link to interface the hardware and application means software programs. Okay, so they all are statements is true about operating systems. So right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay, next question, RTOS stands for, so right answer आप सभी को पता है, real time operating system. Okay, this is very important 1 mark question for your upcoming examination. Okay, and this is very easy. RTOS stands for real time operating system. Okay, next question, in real time operating system blank space. Option A, all processes have the same priority. Option B, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. Option C, process scheduling can be done only once. Option D, kernel is not required. Right answer is option B, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. Okay, in a real-time operating system, a task must be serviced by its deadline period. Next question, for real-time operating system, interrupt latency should be option A, minimal. Option B, maximum. Option C, 0. Option D, dependent on the scheduling. Right answer is option A, minimal. Okay, for real-time operating system, interrupt latency should be minimal, because interrupt latency is the time duration between the generation of interrupt and execution of its services. Okay, next question, hard real-time operating system has blank space greater than a soft real-time operating system. Option A, less. Option B, more. Option C, equal. Option D, much more. Right answer is option A, less. Okay, hard real-time operating system has less jitter than a soft real-time operating system, because jitter is the undesired deviation from the true periodically. Okay, jitter is a type of undesired deviation in the hard real-time operating system and soft real-time operating system, but hard real-time operating system has less jitter than a soft real-time operating system. Okay, next question, real-time system must have blank space. Option A, preemptive kernel. Option B, non-preemptive kernel. Option C, neither preemptive kernel nor preemptive kernel. Option D, both preemptive and non-preemptive kernel. Okay, and right answer here is option A, preemptive kernel. Real-time system must have preemptive kernel. Next question, in a blank space real-time system, it's guaranteed that critical real-time tasks will be completed within their deadlines. Option A, soft. Option B, hard. Option C, critical. Option D, non-critical. Right answer is option B, hard. In a hard real-time systems, it's guaranteed that critical real-time tasks will be completed within their deadlines. Okay, next question, which of the following is not a real-time operating system? Option A, RT Linux. Option B, BXWorks. Option C, Mac. Option D, Symbian OS. Okay, right answer is option C, Mac. Okay, Mac computer is not a real-time operating system. Next question, which of the following is a synchronization tool? Option A, pipe. Option B, semaphore. Option C, a message queue. Option D, remote procedure call. Right answer is option B, semaphore. Okay, semaphore is a synchronization tool. Next question, Which condition does not favor a deadlock? Option A, hold and wait. Option B, no resource preemption. Option C, time intervals. Option D, mutual exclusion. Right answer is option C, time intervals. Okay. Time intervals does not favor a deadlock. Next question. Non-preemptive scheduling occurs in which of the following case? Okay. Option A, when a process switches from the running state to ready state. Option B, when a process switches from the waiting state to ready state. Option C, when a process switches from the running state to the waiting state. And option D, all of these. Right answer here is option C. When a process switches from the running state to the waiting state, means जब running state से waiting state में आपकी कोई भी process enter करती है, it means वहाँ पर आपका non-preemptive scheduling occur हो रही है. Okay, non-preemptive scheduling arise होता है वहाँ पर. Okay, so right answer here is option C. Non-preemptive scheduling occurs when a process switches from the running state to the waiting state. Okay. Next question. Kernel is option A, set of preemptive functions upon which rest of operating system functions are built up. Option B, considered as critical part of operating system. Option C, software which monitors operating system. Option D, semaphore. Kernel is a very important part of your OS, means operating system, and this is very important question. Focus on it. And right answer here is option A. Kernel is set of preemptive functions upon which rest of operating system functions are built up. Okay, this is the definition of function, and this is very important question for your upcoming examination. Next question. Mac OS X has option A, monolithic kernel. Option B, microkernel. Option C, hybrid kernel. Option D, macro kernel. Right answer here is option B, microkernel. Okay, Mac OS X means 10 has microkernel. Okay, next question. Identity odd thing from the functions of operating system. Option A, security. Option B, job accounting. Option C, error correction. Option D, deadlock handling. Right answer is option C. Error correction identify odd things from the functions of operating system. Next question. Blank space is a large kernel. It will including scheduling file systems, networking, memory management, interrupt handling, input-output communications, and many more. Option A, monolithic kernel. Option B, microkernel. Option C, macro kernel. Option D, hybrid kernel. And right answer here is option A, monolithic kernel. Okay. Monolithic kernel is a large kernel including scheduling file systems, networking, memory management, interrupt handling, input-output communication, and many more. Okay, and guys, they all are the features of monolithic kernel. आपसे किसी और वे में भी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. सो फोकस ऑन इट. आपको लर्न करने हैं ये सभी फीचर्स आपके एग्जाम के लिए. किसके फीचर्स हमने डिस्कस किए यहाँ पर? मोनोलिथिक कर्नल के. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which determines the sequence and the associated tasks priority? Option A, scheduling algorithm. Option B, ready list. Option C, task control block. Option D, application register. Right answer is option A, scheduling algorithm. Okay, scheduling algorithm determines the sequence and the associated task priority. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.